In the van. Van life. Soon Graham and I will be travelling full-time in our van through South Africa. All doors have opened for us to view our beautiful land in South Africa. Join us on our vibe.
Okay, so Cindy wants me to put this jelly in the fridge. She said, I mustn't touch it. I can't even eat any, but I've got to put it in the fridge. Oh well, which fridge? This fridge? Or our teeny one in the van? Okay, good. Cindy made this jelly. But you know what? I'm gonna eat it later when it's ready. Have a good day, guys. Okay, so what I'm doing now is she found the jelly in the big fridge in the house. So I'm gonna have to put it in the little van one. This tiny little, look how big this jelly is in this little van. I'm going to put it here. Don't tell anybody it's here.
Jaunti van life be so different? I don't think so. I don't think so. Will jaunty van life be different? Will jaunty van life be different? Nah.
Okay, so Cindy wants to show our cupboards I made modifications in. This is hers. You can see I put a partition here and there. So she can put her little goodies there and more goodies there and all the good things there. On my side, I only put one divider in. That's all my socks and junk there, and I've just put roll all my clothes in that side. So I think it looks alright. I think that's what the van's all about. Just do things as you want to do them. We all have our own little identities. Love this little van. So nice. Anyway, enjoy. We're going to be out on the road soon.
Van life. Is this van life? Is this van life? Oh no. Is this van life? Oh, what are we letting ourselves in for?
Morning everybody. Okay, we've had a bit of a problem with our inverter, so I've just rerouted it so that it works properly. It's a little bit of a job, but it works. If you have a look over here, you'll see these two wires. I've just put them temporary on the batteries there. So it's 12 volts and that's in parallel, so I've put it in parallel 12 volts. So I can switch it on here, but I leave it off because when this is down, then I can flip this switch and it works.
Okay.
So now that is shore power and that is inverter. So if we look right at the front there where the fridge is, you see a light on top of the fridge. I'm going to put the inverter on now.
Oh yes, okay. Oh yes, alright, now I can see it.
That's the inverter.
Yes.
Look here. Inverter. That is none.
Yeah.
That is shore power.
And that's the light up there.
Okay, so I'm going to flip between the two. That's shore power, that's off, that's inverter.
Yeah.
Flipped off, shore power.
Okay.
So we've got power.
Yes.
So when we travel with the fridge on, then we'll switch the inverter on, flip it there, and that'll power the fridge to keep it cold while we're traveling.
Okay.
When we get to a place, we connect the shore power. You can see this says
Yes.
supply 220, so
Yeah.
that's where we plug our extension cord, this cord here. Just come over here and have a look.
Yeah.
You see the blue plug there?
Oh yeah, for
That
caravan parks.
Yeah, that goes into a caravan park, and then
Yeah.
the other end goes in here.
Okay. Perfect.
So that's how that works. And then we've got power for the fridge and for any 220 stuff that we need, because we can plug it in here.
Yeah, I know. You've done all this work before.
Let me show you. Don't run away, don't switch off. I'm going to switch this thing down here. Get the light here. Fridge.
So that's the fridge,
There's a
yes.
little plug up there. I'm going to plug the fridge back in. And it's going to be going now, but we're going to switch it off just now. The fridge is working now.
Excuse all the moving backwards and forwards.
And-
Yeah.
This here is where we can plug anything in from.
Oh, like a hairdryer.
Yes. Not an inverter.
Yes.
There, yes, we can. That's 220.
Yes.
But
Okay.
if this is the inverter. It's only, if you look here, it's only a 1200 watt.
Oh, so it won't
So
cope.
a hairdryer is nearly 2000, so
Alright.
it'll kick it out.
Okay.
So that will use the shore power.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's how it works. I hope it makes sense.
Yes, it does.
I hope you guys are enjoying this new trip that you're going to go on. I can't wait. It's going to be so exciting. What do you think, Cindy?
I can't wait either.
As long as I don't have to sit in the cooler, eh?
I'm going to send you there often. I
Oh,
promise you,
no.
because you have got a temperament, eh?
That's the human fact that I have. Enjoy.
I love you. Bye.
Bye.
Here's the cooler sign. You'll find out where it's going to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Sunday. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Get your friends to subscribe. That would be awesome. See you next Sunday. Bye.